Hi babes, let's talk about why your sunscreen turns white whenever you apply it. So we have two types of sunscreen. We have the one of chemical sunscreen, which is the one we apply and it disappears into our skin, and we have the one of mineral sunscreen, which is the one that we apply and it turns white. So I'm going to explain to you the difference between both. The difference is the one that turns white stays on top of your skin. It doesn't penetrate into your skin. So if you have acne-prone skin or you are somebody that have a sensitive skin, this will not cause any form of reaction on your skin and it will not clog your pore. Chemical one absorb the UVA rays into your skin, so it transforms the energy from the UV rays and turns it into heat. Then that heat releases itself harmlessly from your skin. It doesn't harm you. But the cons with this is, if you have a sensitive skin, because this goes directly into your skin, if you have a sensitive skin and if you pick the one that does not work well with your skin type, you might break out and it might cause your skin to start reacting. If you are someone that have like a oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, alongside with being sensitive, this might break you out because it goes into your skin and it will also clog your pores, except you get the one that ideally work for your skin type. For the mineral filter sunscreen, this one is the one that when you apply it, it turns white on your skin. And the reason why it turns white on your skin is because of the large particles it has in order to reflect the UVA rays. So this type of sunscreen, once you apply it, it stays on your skin. It doesn't go into your skin. So it bounces off the UVA rays. Let's look at it as a shield. You know, it helps to block the UVA rays from penetrating into your skin. But the cons with this one is it turns white. So you have to take time to blend it into your skin for it to also like disappear, but it doesn't go into your skin. So the advantage of this one is if your skin is sensitive and you have acne prone skin, this is not going to clog your pores because it's not going to go into your skin, as opposed to the chemical one that goes into your skin. This stays on top of your skin. So if you're concerned about the white cast it leaves, I will advise you mix it with your foundation or your bronzer in order to tint it a bit and make it work for your skin color. When you're getting your sunscreen and you don't want to get the one that will give a white cast, you look at the ingredients, you watch out for the word titanium dioxide, like here. So any sunscreen you see this written on it, or zinc dioxide, just know that it's going to leave a white cast. For the one that has Avobenzone, this one will not leave a white cast. This is the type that blends into your skin. For the chemical one, when you apply it, you have to wait 13-15 minutes before it starts taking effect. Then you can step out. For the one with mineral sunscreen, this acts instantly once you apply it. So now let me explain to you how to make the white one work for your skin type, whether you're dark skin, you're light skin. From here, excuse that one, to here. This is how to use a sunscreen, 2 finger rolls. So this should be enough to cover your face and your neck. So what you will do is to get the sunscreen, which turns white, and mix it with your foundation. Mix your foundation into it. Can you already see? So I'm going to apply that here. This is the difference, the side with the arc and the side without the arc. So let me quickly explain to you the effectiveness of both application. If you're going to be going on a quick errand, this will come handy. Mix your foundation with your sunscreen in order to tint it and make it look like your skin color. But if you're going to be staying out for a long period of time, you're going for an actual event, then apply the sunscreen, leave it, let it turn white, just leave it that way, give it like 1 minute to settle, then go in with your foundation and start applying. Apply your foundation on it. So yeah, once you blend your foundation in with it, it's going to blend really well and it's not going to leave a white cast on your skin. So this is how to make your white sunscreen work for you. As you can see that Nothing is a waste. If you're not getting it right, find out, research, and see how it can work for you. I hope this helps, and I hope you're not going to be throwing out that white sunscreen. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Bye.